Hi, I'm Michael Weinbergs, and welcome to another episode of Mach 4 TV. We're excited that you're here, and we're thrilled to have a very special guest with us today. In fact, our guest today is the owner of NAS Acupuncture in Colorado Springs, Colorado. She has a degree in Chinese medicine and has also studied Western medicine in Austria. She's a licensed and board-certified acupuncturist, as well as a member of the American Association of Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine. And she has been very well respected as a professional in private practice since 1989 and here in the United States since 2002. Dr. Jai, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Michael.
Now, Dr. Jai, you've been a practicing acupuncturist for 25 years and you're widely regarded as a go-to expert in the field. We've brought you on today to answer a few questions that we've gotten from several viewers. Specifically, with so many providers out there, how does somebody go about finding the right acupuncturist for them? I mean, for example, if you needed an acupuncturist for yourself, what would you look for to find a great provider?
The first should be reputation. We should go to check out the company's reputation on sites like Google or Yahoo. What we should be looking for is a lot of reviews that's current and positive. Or they can go to the company's website to read the patient's testimonies about their own personal experience about acupuncture treatment or result. And the second is to verify if the providers have the expertise and clinical experience to provide the very best service for their need. For example, if the providers have received the right education for this field, if the providers are experts in this field, for how long have been the providers practicing this field, and so on. The third would be the quality of service. Do they provide top quality care? Do they value their patients? Do they take time to listen? Do they take effort to make their patients comfortable? Do they provide expert advice? And do they follow up with the advice and fulfillment? Do they look for patients' experience so that they can continuously provide the best quality of service they provide? Do they have office staff that's friendly, knowledgeable? So these three things I would check out: the reputation, clinical experience, and quality of service.
Well, that's great advice, Dr. Jai. Certainly makes a lot of sense. Now, let me ask you, I know that acupuncture and Chinese medicine can be used to treat a wide variety of conditions. Can you tell me a little bit about the range of services that you provide?
Yes, of course, we treat lots of pain. People with like joint pain, migraine headaches, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia. Most people should receive results or have a pain relief by the first visit. We also treat lots of people with a fertility problem, support in vitro procedures. We treat lots of people with overactive bladder, for like bladder for urinary urgency, frequent urination, night urination. Most people should notice an improvement within 4 to 6 visits. And we also specialize actually for weight loss, for blood sugar control, for high blood pressure. If a person comes in with high blood pressure, usually they will notice an improvement. Actually, the blood pressure slowly come down to back to normal within 4 visits, and lots of other conditions.
Wow, that's fantastic. Now, you've been in business for a long time, and I'm sure, having been in business as long as you have, that you've seen a lot of providers come and go. I know there are many reasons why you've been successful, but I would have to guess that a lot of it has to do with the experience that you give your clients. Can you tell me a little bit about the customer experience that you and your team create?
I think a lot of people come to us because they know that we have a good reputation for providing top clinical care, and when they call, someone will greet them with respect and friendly and with knowledgeable knowledge. And when they arrive the office, they will see a beautiful, peaceful clinic where they can be fully relaxed. and they get to be treated by a doctor who is an expert in this field and who has the knowledge of Western and Eastern medicine, and who has over 20 years of experience, and who takes the time to listen, to advise, and of course to treat too. And I think a lot of our business is that's why a lot of our business comes from referrals.
That makes a lot of sense. Now, I know you had also mentioned before that you had something special that you wanted to offer people who are watching this segment and that who might be new to your business. Can you tell me about a little bit about what you're looking to make available?
Of course, for anyone who's watching this video and has not yet been introduced to our business, we would like to offer a free initial consultation. That's a $50 value and a 20% discount for the first acupuncture treatment. And all they have to do is pick up the phone now and give us a call and let us know that they saw this video.
Wow, that's really generous. So for everyone out there watching, especially those in the Colorado Springs area, if you're looking for a true expert and a true professional in acupuncture, you can reach Dr. Jai at the number at the bottom of the screen, which is 719-634-1669. Dr. Jai, I know you're really busy. I want to thank you once again for taking the time to speak with us today. I also want to thank you for your outstanding advice and, of course, for your very generous offer.
Thank you, Michael.